I can't wait to get into that ocean and have some fun. Okay everyone, we are all loaded up and ready to walk to the beach. Okay, here we go down the ramp getting onto the beach. But what's this? Every time I hit the sand, this cart doesn't work and ruins the start to a wonderful day. Now I have to drag it through the sand and strain my muscles to make it to our spot. Also, at the end of the day, when we all pack up and leave, I am already sore and really just want to get to the car and drive home, but I have to drag this all the way through the sand back up to the boardwalk. There has to be a better way. There is. The Sand Track Retrofit Kit that works with all existing cart units. The assembly process is simple. Connect the top grab bar to the main frame, click the cables to the sides, and snap the bottom track to the rear wheel axle inside the current tires. When you pull down on the grab handle, it lowers the tracks below the wheels onto the sand. Now the trip starts all over. The Sand Track Retrofit Kit makes it easy to reach my spot on the beach, and at the end of the day, leaving the beach is trouble-free, and everyone's happy.